When did you go? I don't remember making plans.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Hey guys.
Hi.
So we have Sara today, and what are we doing?
So we're gonna be doing an evening gold cut crease glam look.
Okay.
They're just random words strung together. But it's gonna be fancy, and that's all you need to know.
So I have an event to attend, and I'm wearing this beautiful black.
That corduroy dress.
And
Yeah.
Sara's going to be doing my makeup for today, and she's gonna go all Nikki tutorials in this thing.
Amateur Nikki tutorials. No disrespect to Nikki tutorials.
Okay. So we'll let Sara do her thing now.
Did also tiptoe across.
I'm doing this voiceover, but I don't even know half the stuff she was doing. So I think this is where she was applying concealer and concealing and setting it up with beauty blenders and blending it. And then this is where she was doing the foundation and covering up my face, but she put a really light layer because that's how I like it. And here is where she's contouring my face and putting some translucent powder underneath my eyes and the contour line, and then some more contouring. And now she's filling my eyebrows. I look different already. And now she's going in with the eyeshadow and putting some on my crease line. She's using another shade and blending it out. This is the part where she applied some concealer on my lid to create the cut crease and put some gold eyeshadow with shimmer on the cut crease. It looked really, really amazing. Thank you, Sara, for this look. After this, she kind of finished it off and also did my lower eyelid. Oops. And then she highlighted the inner corners of my eye with a lighter shade of eyeshadow. And then she put a highlighter everywhere and made me all glowy. And then we did some mascara. Finally lining the lips and giving it shape and filling it in with a beautiful red lip gloss.
I won't be waiting for you all night long. Don't forget to lock the door behind you. Gotta keep this